this video, we're going to talk about another product. This is an Apple product. It's called the Magic Trackpad 2. It has a lot of changes to the first generation Magic Trackpad, but I'm going to compare that to a later video since I don't have a Magic Trackpad 1. So I'm going to give my impressions for this video. Anyways, before we get started, I just want to tell you that with the Magic Trackpad 2, I've used the gestures to edit this video. Anyways, let's get started with my impressions. For this video, I want to start with the top features of this Magic Trackpad 2. First is its design. On the outside, it looks very different to the previous generation Magic Trackpad 1. For the Magic Trackpad 1, it sort of had a much more bigger bump to the top. This one has much more of a wedged shaped design, and I really like that because number one, it's not too high like the Magic Trackpad 1, and number two, it gives you a lot of comfort for your palm and your hand, how you rest your palm. And on the outside, it has this trackpad on the top, which is force touch. You can change it in the settings as you see, and you can even change from silent clicking to louder clicking to just get that more traditional trackpad click. Now, this also features a lightning connector, so you not only can charge this thing, but you can also connect this thing to things outside of the Apple ecosystem. For example, you can connect to Windows or Linux using a USB to Lightning cable. But there are some gestures that are limited, for example, pinch to zoom on Linux or Windows 10, because this trackpad is especially designed and dedicated to Apple products. Anyways, you can charge the Magic Trackpad with the Lightning connector. So that's pretty cool, and I like that even better than the removable batteries on previous generation trackpads or even mice, which I have all around me. Anyways, you can get this in two different colors, space gray and silver. Now for silver, it doesn't attract so much fingerprints than the space gray model, but if you do consider the space gray model, definitely consider this if you want to look even more professional than the silver model. So that's my impressions for this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please click that subscribe button and leave a like down below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the full review.